Dr. Adam Epskamp from West Coast Family Chiropractic. Today I just want to touch on the issue of whether there is a time that the chiropractic adjustment is not appropriate. There are probably three areas we should consider here. The first one being unknown factors. So should a patient present initially and we don't have all the information, then the adjustment might not be the best course of action. Other information might be required, which might just be as simple as acquiring some imaging, x-rays, CT, MRI, but it's really important for a chiropractor to understand the whole scenario and not fly blind, so to speak. The second area is more concerned with other conditions that can predispose you to further injury should an adjustment be administered. Someone suffering metastatic or malignant cancers might decrease the integrity of the bones, and in these cases not a great idea to do a sort of more manual type adjustment. Other conditions include active arthritis, be it psoriatic or rheumatoid. And then there's other things like stroke risk factors which might rule you out from particularly sort of upper back and neck adjustments. So, uncontrolled high blood pressure or symptoms of stroke itself is often contraindicated to deliver an adjustment to those people in particular. Now, a third area is more in management itself. Someone who's not comfortable with the adjustment or unfamiliar or sort of resistant to the adjustment, obviously it makes sense in those cases to withhold the adjustment. I'm Dr. Adam Epskamp from West Coast Family Chiropractic, and we'll speak again soon.